Vertical cellular shades are a stylish, energy-efficient window covering for sliding glass doors and patio windows. Vertical cellular shades provide a much-needed insulating layer for sliding glass doors where homes tend to see changes in temperature. They'll help keep your warm air inside during the winter and your cool air inside during the summer. The honeycomb pockets of cellular shades also help with sound absorption, softening unwanted noise. With typical vertical blinds, you can't filter light and get privacy at the same time, whereas vertical cellular shades can be customized to gently filter light or block it completely with light filtering or blackout fabrics. The broad palette of colors offered for vertical cellular shades means you can easily match other cellular shades in your home or color coordinate with your furniture. Give your vertical cellular shades a finishing touch with our custom upgrades. You can choose exactly how your blinds will stack, to the left, to the right, or parting down the middle, so that you can still keep your favorite view. Decorative cornices are a perfect topper for a more distinguished look. Vertical cellular shades should be avoided in areas with lots of moisture like kitchens or bathrooms. When choosing which side you'd like for your vertical cellular shade to stack, consider your window's view and whether or not the stack would obstruct it. If your wall allows, vertical cell shades can be made wider than the window so they stack back on the wall rather than overlapping the window. Blinds.com offers a wide range of custom vertical cellular shades to fit any sliding glass door, no matter the budget. Explore our full selection now to see which one is right for you. And if you need help choosing your perfect window covering, call 1-800-505-1905 to use our free design consulting services. Our expert designers are ready and waiting to help today.